Hi everybody, this is Kim and Pete here with The Grateful Adventure, and today we are going to talk about using eggshells as a supplement for your chickens. Chickens need a source of calcium readily available all day. Don't throw out those eggshells. They can be a great source of calcium for your chickens. Today we're going to show you how to prepare eggshells for your chickens. First, you're going to want to wash those eggshells and get all of the egg out of them. And then you'll want to peel out that fine membrane that's in the middle of the egg. It's better to do this when the eggshells are fresh, right after you have cracked them. It makes the membrane a lot easier to peel out. You can just dry the eggs on the counter. We prefer to dry them in the oven, simply for the sake of if there's any bacteria on it, that bacteria will be killed in the oven drying. So just lay out your eggshells on a cookie sheet. And place them in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. Occasionally during that time, you'll want to give the eggshells a little toss to make sure there isn't any moisture sitting in any pockets. Go ahead and take the eggshells out and let them cool off. And then an easy way to crumble the eggshells is to lay them out on a paper towel. Give them a quick crumble with your hands. Fold them into the paper towel and use a rolling pin to really crush them. It's important not to have really big chunks of eggshell. You don't want any sharp edges that might catch in the chickens' throats. You're going for just the consistency of a fairly smooth crumble. And so it may take a few times of rolling out to make sure that you have that fine, dusty consistency. You can see here about what the consistency is. And then we just pour our eggshells into an old vitamin jar, and that's how we store them until we give them to the chickens. This eggshell is also fantastic for your garden. We highly recommend pouring a little in the hole if you're planting tomatoes. It helps prevent end rot. So here we have our little feeder for our grit and our eggshell. And we just simply open the little roof of our feeder and pour the eggshell in. On occasion, we throw some oyster shell in. You might see that at the bottom. But typically we use eggshells almost exclusively for the chickens. There is no need to supplement with oyster shell if you have the eggshells. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot.